Alright, I'm gonna start another cut here. So I have zeroed my tool head. The wood is on there. I put a piece of wood under here as well, so that if it goes too far down, it doesn't cut like the aluminum bed and I don't break the bit. So yeah, and then right here I have the file I'm gonna cut, the same one that I cut yesterday. It's this one, except this one was too thick, and I tried like making it flat with this machine, but it just took way too long, so I just got thinner wood. So yeah, well, I guess we can start here. So just press carve, confirm material thickness, material secure, confirm bit size, use new position, raise the bit, rating, turn on the spindle. Spindle is and then carve. Alright, so I've cut the piece out. It's right here. I still haven't finished it. I made a mistake. So there's supposed to be 8 holes right here, and the mistake was that they were too small right here. Like on easel, they were too small. So I had to take this and put them in there by hand. So now when it's milling the second one of these, it doesn't forget to make the holes. So alright, I've cut the 2 pieces out. This is the one that just came off the bed, the one I was talking about with the holes, and this is the first one, the missing holes. So I line these up. They're both dimensionally accurate, and I like the way the machine cuts with plywood, because it's just really smooth, and I just like seeing it. It's just amazing. Now I just gotta translate those holes to this side and then drill them out, and after that I should be able to put them on the machine I made. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The 318 Pro, it's pretty good at cutting wood, I guess, with just a minor spindle upgrade. Alright, this is my first cut attempt with the CNC that I put. These are the plates that I just got done making. I put it all on there. The CNC is all built, so I mean, it's pretty wobbly, but it's not like I had $1 million to build this thing. So let's get to it. I'm gonna put the spindle speed up. Hope the power doesn't go out. I'm gonna press carve. Alright, so this is the result. This is the cut I came up with. I would call this a success. However, this thing obviously needs work because, yeah, I think you get it. It's not stiff, so for starters, this is pretty good. So there you go, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy.